Hey guys, Shawn G here from Cash on Hand Coin Rings and Things, coming to you from beautiful Libby, Montana. And today we're going to talk tools. I know you're not going to want to miss this one, so don't go away. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm going to let you in on a little secret. Over the past 5 years, I've been in collaboration with Durston Tools in England. And in that 5 years, we have developed, designed, engineered, and marketed the new Shawn G series coin ring tools. And I can't wait for you guys to see them. I'm really excited. So guys, without further ado, here they are, the new Durston Tools Signature by Shawn G. Enjoy, guys. So the first tool is a self-centering punch. This punch is shorter than most self-centering punches on the market today, and this punch will fit under the 6-ton A-frame press by Harbor Freight. Next tool is a set of 17-degree conical dies. They're polished to a mirror finish to reduce drag and save the exterior detail of the coin ring. There is a coin ring anvil and a ring bearer. The next tool is a set of Swedish wrap dies. There are push followers, Delrin pushers, and brass pushers. The next tool is a set of folding cones. In this set, there is a stainless steel folding cone, a medium stainless steel folding cone, and a large stainless steel folding cone with a small tip for some of those harder jobs. There is also a set of Delrin folding cones in different sizes. The next tool is the 3 die plates for the ring stretcher reducer. Die plate on the left and the die plate on the right are conical dies. One side is 17 degrees. Flip the die plate over for the 25 degrees. That's so that you can do that fat tire look for that customer. The die plate in the middle is the Swedish wrap die plate. When using the Swedish wrap technique, it makes it faster and easier to complete that process. This is a picture of the entire Durston Tools Signature Series by Shawn G at a trade show in Italy. It was the biggest hit of the trade show. Well, there you have it, guys. The new Durston Tools Signature by Shawn G. We hope you guys enjoy using these tools as much as we enjoyed making them. I want to give a special thank you and shout out to Durston Tools in England for this project. It's been an amazing 5 years. I look forward to more projects with you in the future. Thank everybody involved from the owner, design team, marketing team, everybody who had anything to do with this project. Thank you so much. You guys have taken my dreams and turned them into a reality. I also want to thank Clint Curtis and 7 View Studios for the use of their music on my videos. Guys, thank you. I appreciate your music. You guys rock. I'm going to put a link in the description box below so that you guys can check out their channel and enjoy their music. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video because there's more to come. We'll see you on the next one. Hey guys, that 15% off discount code is Shawn G 15. That's SHAWNG 15.